Hey guys, and thank you for watching. We have been looking for hatches for a long time now, and all the ones that we found that we really liked was very pricey. Though Daniela is not very happy about me occupying the dining table with everything boat, we are very happy about these aluminum hatches we found on eBay. The industrial look matches very good with the Lifeboat. So we got all 8 hatches shipped from India, and including shipping, this runs us about $1,000. I've heard that you get what you pay for, and some extras also came with this price. They all needed a real good clean, sealing of glasses, window gaskets, and a new set of marine grade stainless steel screws. We have also been lucky to find a large second-hand ship window that we installed to the living area. So this large window will help bring in a lot of light, and it will also could function as a safety or escape route if we ever find ourselves upside down. We made some cutting templates out of cardboards and made our way through the hole with a jigsaw and a special blade for fiberglass. Here we are using fiberglass filler to make a flat surface for the windows. We also applied top coat to all the cutouts and to the fiberglass filler before we used Tech 7 to properly seal hatches and bolts. to installing the port lights, we made skylights, door windows, and another large window to the living area out of polycarbonate sheets.